Hi guys, this is Beekeeper Charlotte from CarolinaHoneybees.com. It's about 4:30 on a really warm May afternoon, one of my bait hives. So I decided to come down and see what's happening. These are scout bees. Scout bees are looking at this hive. And I'm right surprised because it's a small bait hive. I have caught swarms in it before. It's not a very big space inside, so I'm a little surprised that they're checking this bait hive out. Well, when I see this happening, I have to wonder to myself, okay, well, up in the top of this cedar tree, I mean really up in the top, is a large ball of honeybees. If I have several choices, I can do nothing and hope that they go into that bait hive that we just saw, which would be awesome and very easy for me to get them from there. Or I can get my pole saw and try to get behind the tree on the hill and cut the branch that they're sitting on. But this is a cedar tree, and cedar trees are very grabby, and I'm afraid that when I cut the limb they're on, that instead of falling to the ground, hopefully with the queen and everybody intact, it's just going to get stuck in the cedar tree. We have the swarm in the top of the cedar tree, or near the top, sort of on the right. We have the box we want it to go in. It's been a lot of hard work, but this is my favorite part of catching a swarm. Finally got the queen on the ground. I saw her, so I put her inside the hive. And what's happening now is the other bees, of which there are thousands, are figuring out that the queen is no longer up in the tree. And we have worker bees that have already realized the queen is inside, and they are at the front of the colony scenting, calling their sisters inside. You see the bees that are just standing there with their honey up in the air, and the very last segment of their abdomen is turned down. That's where the Nasenhoff gland is, and that's where they're giving off the pheromone, the scent to call the queen. And yes, unfortunately, or fortunately, they are my bees, because the queen was marked. Okay guys, that's about all I've got in energy and battery power. This is Beekeeper Charlotte from CarolinaHoneybees.com.